Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. We're going to talk about rehearsal packaging for HagoBuy. So let us jump straight in. So if you are purchasing on HagoBuy, there's a few different things that you can do to drop your shipping costs. So we're going to go over to the top right hand side. We're going to click on our profile picture and we're going to hit the user center. And on the left hand side, you can see all of your options on the menu. And we're going to go to account. Basically, you have a rehearsal fee. And basically what's going to happen here is you are going to request your packages to be packaged differently as to the regular way that they're packaged. So if you have two items and you want to have them packaged together rather than having them packaged separately, this will save on your shipping fee. So basically you get to pre-pack your stuff so that you can see what it's going to cost before you actually go ahead and have it shipped, have it packaged, and pay for a higher price to have your stuff packaged and shipped. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.